We have gathered here to pour the concrete for our Nakasi volleyball court. When we first came here to see the site, I said to the ambassador that this is the best location that we can start off the projects that we are thinking of. And he agreed, and this will come as our model project. This is not the one that we're going to do, but this is, as I've said, will be a model project. And my ministry staffs have been identifying heavy populated areas here in Central Division, Western Division, and Northern to see how we can provide assistance to those areas of having sporting facilities. For your information, ladies and gentlemen, this is a partnership project between my ministry, Ministry of Youth and Sports, and the Embassy of China. And at this juncture, I would like to thank His Excellency for accepting our offer for this partnership. Your Excellency, this partnership will go a long way in terms of providing sporting facilities to the people of this country. This is not the first sporting projects that you have helped in. There are other projects that you have helped. But as for Ministry for Youth and Sports, this is the first project. And I would like to say thank you so much. Once it's completed, we will hand it to the Nausori Town Council to look after this court. And I hope that they will take good care of this court. And as I've said, that we are looking other areas, and come April or May, we're going to start another court here in Nausori. But we haven't still decided on the location. We are discussing with other stakeholders to see the best place where it's heavy populated. Ladies and gentlemen, with that brief comment, once again, welcome to this ceremony, concrete pouring ceremony.